Included in your Bedtime and Beyond learning kit is a set of ASL flashcards. ASL is a 3D language, so it's difficult to learn in a 2D format, so they might be pretty confusing to read. So this video is we're just going to walk through each of the flashcards and demonstrate the signs for you. Sadly, the image is really small, so I don't have them up on the screen, but you should have the kit with you and the list of flashcards, so you should be able to follow along with me using your own cards. So the first sign we're going to do is all done, finished, or all done. And you can gradate that based on, using the emphasis and your facial expressions to, say that gently, like we're finished with this, we're all done, versus we're done. You are finished. This is all done. So that can tell your emphasis on how severe you're being in the moment with the sign. All done. Don't. On the picture card, it shows it like this for don't. You can also sign it as don't. You'll see it probably more frequently as don't or not, which is your thumb coming out from your chin. So don't or don't. Or maybe don't touch. The next one is eat. Eat is just a closed fist, closed hand shape, closed O hand shape by your mouth. Eat. Friends is your 2 index fingers linking and switching. Friends. Help. Non-dominant hand has your open palm up. Dominant hand has a fist with a thumb up in it. Help, and it moves upward. Help. Help. More. Closed O hand shape. Bring it together. More. Like is your thumb and index finger pulling out from your chest. Like. Other side. Like. Hungry is an open C hand shape. Bring it down once down your chest. Hungry. Hungry. Me, it's pretty easy. Me. You, just pointing. Play is a Y hand shape, and you shake it back and forth. Play. No is your 3 fingers, and bring them together. No. So this again can be gradated depending on the intensity that you're trying to exhibit. So it could be a very gentle no, nope, we're not going to do that, versus no. That's a hard no. We're not doing that. Stop. It's pretty easy. Open palm, non-dominant hand. Dominant hand chops right on top. Stop. And again, stop it or stop. Your intensity, your facial expression changes show how much you mean emphasis with that word. Please. Rubbing your chest is a circular motion, please. Toilet or bathroom is your thumb in between your index and middle finger. Shake it back and forth. Toilet or bathroom. What? The picture is a little interesting with how it's turning over. That's typically not how we sign the sign. It's more what. We use what. Just shaking it back and forth. Usually maybe your shoulders are up. What? When? Non-dominant hand has an index finger up. Dominant hand index finger circles it. When? Thank you. Comes out from the mouth. Thank you. You'll often see good and thank you are very, very similar. Good is a little shorter, a little bit more of like a direct, that's good, versus thank you is a little softer and comes out a little further. So good or thank you. Want. Open palms up, pull it towards you. Want. So you could say, what do you want? What do you want? Water. First 3 fingers up by your mouth. Water. Because this is the letter W. Yes. Closed fist, shake it up and down. Yes. Y. There are a couple different signs for Y. The picture is showing touching the top of your forehead, bringing it down into the Y hand shape. Y. Y. The other option for you too that you might see is Y. is shaking the middle finger by your head. So either one is acceptable, why or why. Who, thumb and index finger by your chin, like you're pulling a little trigger there. Who and where is shaking the index finger. Where?